Good morning, students. I am going to start with the next topic, absolute value or the normal of the vector. So I have already defined SI. So SI is a thing, but can you find here SI, and I? I have taken the value as 1, 2 to N. Means SI1, SI2, SIN. Right? You are familiar with these terms. So how many terms I have got? I have got N terms. Now I am going for the next part called SI. Is a thing for the square length, that is inner product or dot product, that is given by SI double bar on both the sides square is given by SI transpose into SI. So SI is SI1, SI2, SIT. This is a matrix, right? When I say SI transpose, so SI1, SI2 and SIN I have written, and SI I have substituted the values. So SI1 into SI1, SI1 square, SI2 into SI2, SI2 square, SIN into SIN, SIN whole square. So this is a resultant SI1 square plus SI2 square dotted line SIN square. This can also be written as SI double mod square as J 1 to N. Can you observe I is constant here? That means I is constant. The 1, 2, 3, right? That indicates J. So J value changes, right? Starts from 1, ends at N. So it is given by S. I is already there. J 1, 2, 3, 4 to N. That's why J 1 to N. So J 1 to N Sij square. This is the value of this. Next I am going for the next part, right? Next part is a relationship between signal energy and its vector. EI is the energy. What is a wave? SI is a wave, or the signal is SI. 0 to T SI square dt. If you want to get energy, square the signal, integrate from 0 to T. Now SI of T already I have defined. If I say SI, can you observe here? SI is there, right? J, and this J indicates a carrier. So J value is from, right, carrier. So carrier I have got 1 to N carriers I have got. So 1 to N, right, because it is SI. So SI is here. So J varies from 1 to N, Sij, phi J of T. Phi J of T is also the carrier. Now SI I can define in one more way, just replacing this J by K. So K is equal to 1 to N Sik followed by phi K of T. Both the equations are same. The only difference is I have got the term J, right, and here I have got K as a carrier. Now energy is represented by EI. So let me go back. Energy is 0 T SI square dt, that is EI 0 to T SI into dt. So energy EI is 0 to T SI into dt. So I have replaced the first value of SI in terms of J, right, as the first term. Then the second value of SI I have replaced by the second term of SI in terms of K, and that is I have represented. So the first term indicates J, the second term indicates K. Now I just follow 0 to T, phi J of T first carrier, second carrier phi K of T. So this can, because it is J and the K. So this can also be written as 0 to T phi J of T phi K of T dt. Right? Already I have explained, if, right, J is equal to K, the answer is 1. Otherwise the answer is 0. Example I will give you. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos square theta, if I remove the cos 2 theta term, I will get 1. Correct? Then cos theta into sin theta, if I integrate, the answer is equal to 0. So this can also be written, say that K is equal to J. As this is J is equal to, right, K is equal to J, so K is equal to J. Now I am going for the next part, continuation of this. So EI. So I have removed the integration term considering that K is equal to J. So J1 to N, K1 to N, Sij followed by Sij. So J is here, this is K. So K is equal to J, so both are replaced by J terms. So this Sij can be written as Sij square. And so this can also be written as Si is equal to Si square, because it's energy. I'm squaring the signal. The above equation can be written as Si then square. If I square any signal, it becomes energy. Now this can also be written as 0 to t Si of t followed by Sk of t dt. This can also be written as, right, first term is Si. The first term is Si, so it is Si transpose, followed by the second term is K, so it is written by, right, Sk. This also, because it is Si transpose into Sk, it is the inner product, the product of Si into Sk. When you multiply two signal, you get energy. So, right, what I assume that here is Si and Sk both are equal. Si and Sk both are same signal. So then it is Si mod followed by square. That means the equation 1, energy Ei is equal to Si double square. Right? Same way, this 0 to t, this also written by Si mod square. That means Ei is equal to this term. So I have got the answer. Ei is equal to Si transpose followed by Si.